Hi everyone, my name is Bappy Hamed and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you another amazing video generation model which is Veo 3.1, and this is recently available over the Higgsfield.ai platform. So previously I created some of the video on top of this platform. I showed you how we can use the 1.2 model, how we can use the Sora 2 Pro model. Even right now, Veo 3.1 is the new model, and this platform did the collaboration with actually Google, okay, Google, and they got this particular model in their platform. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, we're going to test this model here. We'll see the quality of the video generation this model does. Even one interesting thing I saw, the quality of audio improvement they have done, and the quality of the video improvement they have also done. Okay, so I think you know previously we had Veo 3 only Veo 3, right? So it used to generate only a 720p video, but right now with the help of this 3.1 you can generate 1080p quality video, okay, with a higher quality audio as well. Okay, so this is the page, guys, you can see. So here they have given like how we can use this particular model for this. You can add your image, write your scenario, and generate this particular video. Okay, see all the example they have given here. So to test this model, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this. Before that, first of all, you have to log in. Definitely make sure you just try to log in. I'll share the link in my description. From there, you can check it out, and you will see the step like how we can create the profile, how we can activate the model. Okay, all this step will come okay automatically for you. What I'm going to do now, let's log in. So I already logged in. So here, this is my actually interface. So if you want to get this interface, guys, so you can hover on this video and you can click on this create video option. So guys, one thing you will see here, this model actually I got early access from the Higgsfield.ai platform. So it is still upcoming model actually for the audience. So in some days actually this model would be live, but I got early access. I will show you the demo, okay, with my early access example. So what you can do, you can click on this create video. Okay, once you click on the create video, so you'll be getting this kinds of interface. Okay, so right now here what you can do, you can give your prompt, you can also even upload your image. So this model can also generate actually realistic video from any kinds of image as well. Let's say you have an image. Okay, you have an image, just try to upload and give the prompt. Okay, it will try to make a realistic video, okay, on top of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the model here. So here you can see we have different model. Previously I showed you the example with Sora 2 Pro. Then here, if you just go below, see Google VEO 3 fast model, Google VEO 3 model, and this is the new model called Google VEO 3 3.1 model. Okay, you can see 720p to 1080p result, and the audio quality is also good, and it can also generate up you can say 8 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds, up to 8 seconds actually video. Got it? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this Veo 3.1, this model. Okay, here you can see this model you can select. Even you can also say, select the quality. Okay, then you can also give the aspect ratio, like let's say which format you need. You need in a long term format or you need in a reels format. So okay, both format you can select here. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a prompt. But how to manage the prompt? So to manage the prompt, you can use the Google Gemini. So I already asked my Gemini to generate some of the scenario for me. So let's try to use that. So let's say I'll copy the first prompt, and here I'm going to paste it, and let's see the output. Okay, so guys, here to continue this prompt, if you want to like say generate the video, so you have to also fill this first field, which is image uploading. So what you can do, you can copy this prompt and you can open up your Gemini, and you can ask to generate a video, sorry, generate a image for this particular prompt. So let's say this is the let's say image I got. Now I will try to download it. Then here I'm going to just upload it. Okay. Yeah, so once it is uploaded, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on generate. So you can see guys, generation is going on, so it will take some time. So let's wait for some time. So what is complete, I will come back. So guys, as you can see, my video generation is ready. Now if I let's say play the video, so you can see the output. It's loading. Let's wait. Yeah, first time it will like reload. After that you can play. Okay, let me play it from again. See, it's amazing, right? Super realistic. Great. Now you can also even download this video. Okay, download this video and you can use it in your content creation. Okay. So right now if you want, you can also change this prompt with different prompt you can generate from the Gemini. Even you can also generate the image and try to upload here and try with this particular model. Okay, so yes guys, this was the demo. You can check it out. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to like share some of the generated video I have done with this Veo 3.1. I think you will be loving a lot. Okay, so let's see some generated video I have done.
When the spotlights fade, we'll still have
pizza,
we'll find a way to make it through the
taxes.
One sip, and you'll finally call customer support without rehearsing for an hour.
So yes guys, these are some generated video from this Veo 3.1. I think you have seen that. Now you can try. I will share the link in my description. From there you can check it out. So yes guys, this is all about from this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much guys.